Welcome to JioSh URL. Today, we are going to explore the process of creating link overlays on JioSh URL. I will guide you through each step in a simple and easy to understand manner. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into JioSh URL using your credentials. Once you have logged in, you'll see a left side panel. Go ahead and select the link overlays option from there. Step 2. This will initiate the link overlay creation process, and you'll see a right panel. Look for the Add New Overlay button and click on it to create a new overlay. A new window will open. Step 3. In the new window, you'll find a text box where you can enter a name for your overlay. Let's say we name it Testing Demo. Next, choose the position of the overlay from the drop-down list. Step 4. Now, it's time to type in the desired message for the overlay. You can customize it according to your needs. Step 5. To further customize the overlay, you can add a label, a button link, and button text. This will enhance the appearance and functionality of your overlay. Once you are done, click on the Create button to finalize the creation of your link overlay. Great. Now let's move on to the next step. Go to the Links option on the JioSh URL platform. Look for the Shorten Link button and click on it. In the provided field, enter the URL that you want to shorten. Select the drop-down list from Direct option and choose the overlay you created earlier from the list. In our case, we will select the Testing Demo link overlay. Click on the Confirm button to proceed. Copy the generated link that appears. Open Google Chrome and paste the link into the address bar. Then, press Enter. You'll now be able to view your overlay on the URL you saved. To verify that everything is working correctly, click on the button on the link overlay displayed in the top right corner of the window. This will take you to the page. You provided the link while creating overlay. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the steps involved in creating link overlays on JioSh URL. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.